Palusot sa mga pasahero. Paupahan ang gitnang bahagi ng tren. Lumayo po tayo sa pinto upang maiwasang masandalan ito at magdulot ng abala sa pagtakbo ng tren. Paparating na sa Ninoy Aquino Avenue Station. Approaching Ninoy Aquino Avenue Station. Paparating na sa PITX Station. Approaching PITX Station. Ugaliing humawak sa mga safety handrails. Reminding all passengers, always hold on to the safety handrails. Paparating na sa Mia Road Station. Approaching Mia Road Station. Ingatan po natin ang ating mga personal na gamit gaya ng pad, cellphone, wallet, at maging ang stored value card o single journey ticket na gagamitin sa paglabas ng mga istasyon o terminal ng tren. Please secure your personal belongings such as bag, cellphone, or wallet, as well as the stored value card or single journey ticket that you will be using to exit from the stations or terminals. Please keep our trains clean. Eating, drinking, and smoking are strictly prohibited inside the train. Paparating na sa Redemptorist Asiana Station. Approaching Redemptorist Asiana Station. Paparating na sa Baclaran Station. Approaching Baclaran Station.